Hello and welcome to Rose City Collision, located here at Rose City Ford in Windsor, Ontario. My name's Jason. I'd like to welcome you to our shop. We here at Rose City Ford Collision, we fix all makes, all models. And we're certified in multiple brands, certified by a third party who can verify that we have the education and equipment to fix your car right. Common misconceptions in this industry are, I have to go where my insurance says. That's a lie. Insurance companies can't tell you where to have your car repaired. You have the right, it's your vehicle. So choose wisely. Here at Rose City Collision, we have technicians that have been in the industry for over 31 years. We have technicians that are constantly trained. Let's take a look around the shop and maybe we can meet some of them and discuss some of the things they do for you.
Hello, I'm 经理。我在这里工作大概10年，所以如果你有中文方面的问题，你可以问我。OK。
Hello, my name is Fred, and I'm a collision repair technician here at Rose City Ford. I've been repairing vehicles for more than 40 years, and the next time you're involved in an accident, whether it be big or small, I hope that you'll give me the opportunity to repair your vehicle back to factory standards for you.
How you doing? My name's Lance. I work at Rose City Ford in the collision department. I've been in the trade for about 35 years, and I've been working at Rose City Ford for 3. And the reason for bringing a vehicle to Rose City Ford would be that we treat everybody like family, and everybody's car should be repaired as if it was for a family member. And that's why we do what we do.
Hi, my name is Tom DeJarlis. I'm a paint and body technician. I've been at Rose City Ford for 35 years. And the reason why I've been here so long is because this place treats everybody like family. We're well educated on all the Ford products and paint, and we're ICAR Platinum certified. And that's about it.
Hey guys, Marty here. Great service over at Rose City. Top-notch guys. Dropped my car off. Cannot be happier with the paint work. I'd like to give a special thanks to Tom. Every time I come down here, takes care of me. Never a problem with these guys over at Rose City. Come check them out, all right? Thanks.
So thanks for coming by and seeing us here at Rose City Collision, where we're here to help you. So please, if you're unfortunate enough to need our services, stop in and see us. We're here at 6333 Tecumseh Road East in Windsor, Ontario. And hopefully the next time we see each other, it'll be socially, not professionally.